Installing and connecting NitroPack to WordPress websites is pretty straightforward. Start by creating an account at NitroPack.io. You can choose between the free plan or any of the paid subscriptions, depending on your website's monthly page views and CDN bandwidth. Next, go to your WordPress admin panel. Click on Plugins and Add New. Find the NitroPack plugin, install, and activate it. Finally, open the plugin and click Connect to NitroPack to complete the setup. And that's all there is to it. Once you go through this process, you'll have access to a few NitroPack features inside your WordPress admin panel. One important thing you can do after setting up NitroPack is to enable cache warmup. This feature schedules optimizations for pages after their cache has been purged or invalidated. Put simply, cache warmup makes sure all of your website's pages are optimized automatically. Also, make sure to visit our help desk at support.nitropack.io for more details on how to use our service. You can access even more features and tailor NitroPack to your needs from your account at nitropack.io.